Beyond the reach of sunlight, deeper than the tallest mountain is tall, lies a world cloaked in perpetual darkness, a realm that time seemingly forgot: the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench, a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust, sits in the western Pacific Ocean. Its mere existence challenges our understanding of the planet. It stretches over 1,500 miles long and 43 miles wide, with depths reaching an astonishing 7 miles below the ocean surface, making it the deepest part of the world's oceans. The journey to the Mariana Trench begins from the surface, where the sun's rays dance on the waves. As we descend, the sunlight starts to fade, replaced by the cold, eerie darkness of the deep sea. We enter the twilight zone, a world where strange, bioluminescent creatures create their own light to survive in the all-encompassing darkness. Further down, we cross into the midnight zone where no sunlight penetrates. Here, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, yet life persists. Gigantic amphipods, ghostly snailfish, and otherworldly organisms thrive in these extreme conditions, defying our understanding of life's limitations. Finally, we reach the Challenger Deep, the lowest point in the Mariana Trench. Here, the pressure is more than 8 tons per square inch, equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of each other. Yet, in this inhospitable environment, life not only survives, but flourishes. Throughout this journey, we have encountered incredible creatures, witnessed unimaginable environments, and grappled with the sheer depth of the unknown that the Mariana Trench represents. We've discovered that life can adapt to the harshest conditions, redefining our understanding of life's resilience. Yet the Mariana Trench continues to be a wellspring of mysteries. The trench's extreme pressure, low temperatures, and complete darkness hold secrets yet to be discovered. What other fantastical creatures lurk in its depths? What can these organisms teach us about survival in extreme environments, or even life on other planets? The Mariana Trench serves as a stark reminder of how much we have yet to learn about our own planet. As we continue to explore, each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the vastness of life's diversity and the remarkable resilience of Earth's inhabitants. As we ascend back towards the surface, we carry with us a profound sense of wonder and respect for the deep sea and its denizens. The Mariana Trench, a world beneath the waves, remains an enduring testament to the mysteries and marvels of the natural world. In summary, our journey to the Mariana Trench has revealed a world where life defies all odds, thriving in conditions that should be inhospitable. It's a place that redefines our understanding of life's limitations and resilience, and continues to pose new questions and challenges to our scientific understanding. From the sunlit surface to the inky depths of the Challenger Deep, the Mariana Trench is a testament to the endless mysteries and wonders our planet holds. As we continue to explore this enigmatic realm, who knows what other secrets we will unveil? The Mariana Trench, a world of perpetual darkness, immense pressure, and incredible life forms. A world that, despite its harsh conditions, harbors life in its most resilient and awe-inspiring forms. A world that continues to captivate and challenge us, reminding us of the endless mysteries that lie beneath the waves.